because it's on the personalized diet and recipe recommendation. So for literature review, previously what I have had considered is recommendation system in itself. And then I'll be using a hybrid, which is the content-based filtering plus classification machine learning. So those two, I will also do literature review as well as some specific diets, let's say cholesterol, what kind of diets you have to be aware of. Just wanted to ask for your opinion. Do you think there's any other areas I should tackle for my literature review?
In your area, you need to check on the data set also, what data set they are using currently, the recommendation system, the current recommendation system that specifically you have three area. One is recommendation system, another is a recipe, another is a diet. So you need to find the article, literature article from these three, and then you can, if you got a article that have all the relationships to these three, then you are lucky. If not, you can able to find the individually one, then you provide a relationship. So that's
Okay.
how you can able. So find 5 article on latest recommendation system. Then 5 article on a recipe recommendation. That recommendation not necessarily utilized for the food related one. It can be any area. So find that 5 and then you find the 5 related to the recipe, then find related to the diet, or maybe if you can find together is good. Then also one more thing you can check the existing app. I forgot to mention that. You can check the existing app. You can take 3 to 4 app that already exists, and then you can do the comparative analysis, and also you can check the review comments. There's one more easy way to find it. Let's say if you go to the Play Store and you can able to find their disadvantages that they have written. From there you can take a lead. If someone say JY already is there in the market, what is the new thing you're going to do? You can say these are the problem they have listed by the user by month wise. So you can see this is the latest release that they have do it. This is the problem that they have that I am tackling in my research. I hope I
So
answer your question.
yes, thank you. Just wanted to cascade on top of that is how do I cite if I do my own checking on Google Play Store in terms of citation?
That's interesting one. Okay, once you identify the word, right? If I were you, okay, once I identify the word, what I will do, I will take this word and I'll go to some of the Google Scholar and I'll put this word and the related one and try to pull the article related to that.
I see. So if let's say
You
I go
do you
to
do reverse engineering.
so I just go to Google Play Store and see if they have done any review on apps, then I try to get
Get the
something.
yeah,
Okay.
get the wording. Once you get the wording, try to find the grouping. Let's say you get 10 keywords on the problems that they have addressed. This 10 keyword out of that, 3 may be focusing towards the memory consumption example, or maybe focusing towards the user interface. Then you got the title, which is user interface. So try to go and look for the article which is user interface.
I see. All right.